weather starts now with Chief Meteorologist Curtis Grevenance.
Welcome back, everybody. It was nice to get a little blue sky in Helena earlier today. Now clouds have moved in and you can't see the mountains because of some light snow that is falling, mainly in the mountains, not so much in the valley. Some nice sunshine in Great Falls as well, but the clouds are finally moving back in. 43, and there's some snow off on the Rocky Mountain front. 30s and 40s, another cool day here for most of the state. Another breezy day as well. The wind will be getting stronger over the next few days. Our big record-breaking snowstorm for parts of the state is still producing a little light rain and some snow in the higher terrain away from the Missouri River up there in the northeast part of the state. And I mentioned around Helena, big belts down over the Elkhorns, up on the Continental Divide. We've got some snow coming down west of Choteau, Augusta, of course, that Crown Mountain fire southwest of Augusta. Did not see a lot of snow from that last system, only about an inch to an inch and a half. Getting some snow on the Haystack fire. We've got some more snow that will mainly be up in the mountains along and west of the Continental Divide here tonight. There goes our big record-breaking storm here as far as snow goes for, again, parts of the state. Some of north central Montana saying, what storm? Really didn't hit that part of the state here, but there it goes. And through the overnight hours, just a little light snow, maybe into the lower elevations, even into early tomorrow morning. A lot of us waking up to some cloud cover tomorrow morning and maybe a few snowflakes. By the afternoon, we'll see more in the way of some sunshine. Still a couple of showers, light showers around, mainly into the mountains. And then heading into Friday, some nice sunshine. Eastern Montana, melting some of that snow that's been falling there. And good amounts of sunshine and wind across a lot of the state. Again, just in the western mountains is where we'll see a little additional accumulation. There goes our big storm. But over the next few days, including Thursday afternoon, then again Friday, Saturday, and Sunday, should have some pretty strong wind around the state. This combined with warming temperatures and lower humidity, and that fire danger will be coming back. And watch that Crown Mountain fire southwest of Augusta that, again, did not see much in the way of precipitation. A little snow falling on that right now. Temperatures 20s and 30s tonight with a few areas of some light snow for tomorrow. One storm moving out, another little one fizzling out. 40s and 50s with a little more sunshine by the afternoon. For Friday, more sunshine, more wind. Temperatures up into the 50s to near 60. For Saturday, what a weekend this is going to be. Windy but warm, 60s to about 70. And then Sunday, 70s for a lot of the state. Look at Havre, 78 degrees coming up this Sunday. Great to be outside, but please watch that fire danger. So a few flurries tonight into tomorrow morning. A warm and windy weekend, slightly cooler with a few showers and mountain snow showers Monday before another warm up coming through Tuesday and Wednesday. So if you thought that winter is settling in early, think again, as we've got some nice fall weather ahead. Just watch that fire danger.